Start by dragging the ASCIIfy image component onto your page. Once it is in place, you're ready to begin editing. In the image option, you can add your image content. First, upload the image file. Then, select the image you'd like to use and click Select. Under the ASCII settings menu, you'll find the Output Width option. This lets you adjust the display resolution. At a value of 100, the conversion may still look a bit subtle. But when we switch it to 200, you can see the resolution improves and the result becomes much more faithful to the original image. In the color mode section, you can choose between monochrome and color. In monochrome mode, the image is displayed using classic grayscale characters. You can customize both the text color and background color right in the style setting. In color mode, the image is converted while preserving the original colors for a vibrant full color effect.